You would like to 3D print a tool for a project and you haven't found exactly the one you need. Some values are different, you need a smaller one, bigger one, or a version taking less time to print. Well, this video will show how to use a simple CAD solution online, so no download, no install, to create a part with very simple clicks in a matter of minutes. And this part will be exactly as you wish. I will use SOLIDWORKS for makers. More information at the end of the video and link in the description. I will make a simple square ruler connecting with login and password. I start on a dashboard where my CAD tool is located, or if it is not there yet, I can start with an empty page or create one from here. Then I place my CAD application called xDesign on my page with a simple drag and drop from the search under this disk called the compass. It's like your personal app store. Once your dashboard is set up, you don't need to do that next time, of course. There are several other apps, we will discover them in later episodes. Once the new part is open, I select a plane and draw a right triangle. I put a dimension on one side and add an equal relationship to make it isosceles. So one dimension will control both sides. I can add material to my part with this extrude feature. 25mm seems to be too much, 20 are okay. Now I need to add a ledge and I could draw the contour I need, but I prefer reusing existing edges to be sure any dimension change will adapt the part accordingly. I convert the existing triangle, add a vertical line with 5mm offset, and remove extra lines with this tool. Sketch is ready for extrusion. 35mm is far too much, so I will enter 5 and accept. If I need to enter a dimension in inches, I just add IN after the value. And of course, you can set up your default units. I just add mm if default is inches and I want millimeters. Now I want to remove inside material to be able to clamp it and speed up 3D printing process. Again, I convert the face, this time with an offset, and use the sketch to cut geometry through all, so if I change my mind later about overall thickness, this cut won't be blind. Part is finished, so I prepare it for 3D printing with Tools, Print 3D. It will create an STL part on my disk, ready to use by my favorite slicer. My part is now printed and I can use it. So, if you want to do the same and create your own objects without depending on others, connect on solidworks.com/makers and enjoy your new parts. Stay tuned for the next project.